In assignment 5.2, you're going to use the same data set that we used in the lesson on calculating fields. So we're going to use the college data set, which doesn't contain all the colleges in the United States, but only contains a selected few states as our source data. In the lesson, we showed how we could classify two-year colleges, but basically any four-year colleges immediately just got classified as four-year institutions, and we didn't know if they offered GIS classes or a degree and things like that. So what we want you to do in the assignment is to do some classification of four-year institutions. Do they offer classes? Do they have a bachelor's degree? Do they have a graduate program? So I'm not going to repeat exactly what's written in the lesson for you right now, but you're going to take the information that we had already for the two-year colleges, add that into your new information and classification. So when you get to that first branch statement where you ask, is this a two-year college? And if it's not, you immediately drop down to being a four-year institution. At that point, you're going to add some additional scripting so that you can do some classification of four-year institutions. So you're going to have the initial work that we did in the lesson plus new work that you're going to add in. Now you may need to create a new field because the other field was partially already populated. So you might create a new field instead of trying to use the field that we used in the lesson. So that's what's going to be required for assignment 5.2.